Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be talking about that how to show this bootstrap toast here. You can see that this is the heading of the toast and this is the body of the toast, and these are the small messages which appear after you submit the form. So in Bootstrap 4 I will be telling you that how to create these messages. So first of all I will delete all the code here, and you just need to create a simple index.html file, and you need to include the Bootstrap CDN of both the CSS and JavaScript. Alongside, you also need to include jQuery CDN. So now inside the body we will be having the container class of Bootstrap. So inside this there is a base class of toast here. So this class you need to assign it, and inside this, in order to create the header of the toast, we will be adding this toast header class. So inside this header you will be defining your header. Let's suppose this is a toast header, and for the body we have the toast body class. So we will be initializing a new div and giving this toast body class, and inside this you can just write your toast body like this. This is the toast body. And now in order to show this, if you just refresh the browser, nothing will happen because I haven't configured the JavaScript code. And go to script.js. So inside this you just need to write a very simple line of code, which is document.ready function of jQuery. And now inside this you just need to target the toast class that you have given to the toast here like this, and you need to call the toast method, and here you just need to pass show here. So it will show the toast here to you. You can see that. You will see that it appears and it vanishes because this is a default behavior of the toast message. It will appear for just 2-3 seconds and it will go. And now in order to hide this, in order to show this by default, we can just add an option here, which is auto hide option is there of toast here. We can just initialize it to false. So basically if you go to here w3schools.com, you will see the full example here. Sorry, this property is data auto hide, data dash auto hide. So if you just initialize it to false, then it will appear it, then it will not vanish. You can see that we need to initialize this attribute. And also we can just declare we can just bind this inside strong tag, this heading here of the toast header. So we can just delete this, and instead of this we can just declare a strong tag and give a class of mr-auto and text primary. So this will wrap the toast header, and we will be also be writing this 5 minutes ago in the small tag. And now if I refresh it, you will see that the header of the toast is ready here. You can see that this is the header and it is displaying 5 minutes ago. And for the body, we can also add a simple button in order to close the toast here. So let me just copy this, and after this we can just add this button here like this. So the most important thing to notice that I have given this data dismiss attribute to this button, so that when I click this button the toast will vanish. So here you just need to data dismiss. The value will be equal to the class name that you have given to the toast here. So I have given toast here. So these are just the utility classes for setting the margin. So ML stands for margin left and MB stands for margin bottom. So this is a button. So now if I refresh it, you will see that it will be having this cross button. So if I click this, it will vanish, this toast here, and this is just a body here of the toast body. So this is a very simple example of how to use toast in Bootstrap 4. So thanks very much for watching this video.